She can barely afford to feed herself, yet nearly 30 abandoned dogs depend on her every single day. Her extraordinary journey began with one starving dog that everyone else had chosen to ignore. She offered it one meal, but the frightened animal gave her something greater, its complete trust. When she found another dog, chained beside an empty house, walking away was no longer possible. Rain, darkness, and her own failing strength never stopped her from reaching an animal in danger. When food ran short, Eleanor ate less, not because she was full, but because the dogs were hungry. Before most people wake, she has already cooked, carried, counted, and served nearly 30 meals. To pay for their food, she collects discarded cans and bottles until her exhausted body can carry no more. She has no clinic and little medicine, but every wounded animal receives patience, comfort, and careful hands. With discarded wood and worn blankets, she turns almost nothing into shelter for animals that once had none. One dog became 5, 5 became 10, and soon her tiny yard held an entire forgotten family. Her home was never built to shelter 30 dogs, but she cleans and protects it as if it were a sanctuary. But the house protecting them was collapsing, and every storm brought the danger closer. At 79, she still tried to repair everything alone, because leaving the dogs behind was never an option.
When DIY learned she was risking her life to protect the dogs, he went straight to her door. You saved these dogs when nobody else would. Let my team build a safe home for all of you.
I never dreamed anyone would help us. Yes, please give these dogs the safe home they deserve.
True to his promise, DIY Rebuild returned today to build a new home for her and every rescued dog.
Before anything new could be built, the property had to be opened and made safe. The crew removed the broken fence, gathered scattered trash, and cleared away years of neglect. It was a simple beginning, but for this elderly woman and the dogs she loved, it marked the first real step toward a safer life. With the larger debris gone, the workers cut back the tall weeds and cleared the ground around the house. As sunlight reached places hidden for years, the true condition of the property, and the scale of the work ahead, came clearly into view.
After years of hardship, she and the dogs she rescued finally stepped into a place they could call home. For the first time, the dogs had a safe garden where they could run, rest, and play freely. On the porch, DIY placed the keys in her hands, giving her more than a house, a new beginning. Inside, the warm living room and kitchen offered the comfort and dignity she had lived without for years.
Her new bedroom gave her a quiet place to rest, with a safe corner beside her for a loyal dog.
The accessible bathroom was designed so she could move safely, independently, and with confidence every day. The care room gave her clean tools and proper space to treat injured dogs with dignity. The kennel wing gave every rescued dog a clean, secure room of its own. A safe home can change one life. Compassion can change many more. Every character, location, image, and construction scene was created with AI. This fictional AI story was created for entertainment, inspiration, and compassionate storytelling. This fictional story depicts no real people or events and is not a fundraiser.